Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. Now last class we discussed integration by parts method. In that integrals of the type integration of root of x square minus a square, that is x by 2 root of x square minus a square minus log of x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. Okay, next integration of root of x square plus a square dx is x by 2 root of x square plus a square plus log of x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. Next integrals of the type root of a square minus x square dx is x by 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a plus c. And these three are very important, repeatedly asked in the exam for 5 marks question, any one. Okay, and see, based on that, if they mention find the integration of this, means we have to take up or calculate the corresponding value of example. Okay, example I will take an example. Integrate the following with respect to x. First one, integration of root of x square minus 4 dx. Integration of root of x square minus 4 dx. Means this is exactly the form of the same pattern, x square minus a square. What is your x square minus 2 square dx? What is your a here? A is 2. And apply the formula root of x square minus a square. That formula is x by 2 root of x square minus 4 x square minus a square minus log x plus root of x square minus 4 plus c. Okay, just concentrate. This derivation carries 4 marks. If they mention example, that example carries 1 mark. 4 plus 1, total marks is 5 marks. Okay, next example I will take another one. Integration of root of x square plus 16 dx. Okay, and this can be done as integration of root of x square plus 4 square, because 16 perfect square is 4. Root of, and the formula is this, we have to apply it. X by 2 root of x square plus 16 plus log of modulus of x plus root of x square plus 16 plus this is the example. Next example I will take another one. Integration of root of 25 minus x square dx. Okay, and this can be written as in the form of integration of root of 25 is 5 square minus x square dx. Means we will get it is in the form of x by 2 root of 25 minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x. What is your x? As it is x by a. A is 5. A square means what? How it is 25 by 2 plus. This is how we are using the formula to calculate. And see, we can easily remember. I will tell you how. See, x by 2 root of x square minus x square, same here. Again x by 2 root of x square plus x square, same here. X by 2 root of x square minus x square. This is fixed. Whatever given, that one we are multiplying by x by 2. And next half, just concentrate. Log. So these two are log. And see, we have the formula already been calculated in integrals of the standard type, that is 1 divided by root of x square minus a square dx. In that case, we know that it is log of modulus of x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. That combination is exist here. Understood or not? The same formula we are applying here. Again, similarly, 1 divided by root of x square plus a square. If you remember this formula, we can easily do this also. Log of modulus of x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. Okay, and here this is also the formula based. The next half is root of a square minus x square dx is the formula is what it is? Sin inverse x by a. plus that formula we have to apply here. Okay, these formulas we have to apply, or else we can easily remember. See, root of x square minus a square means x by 2 root of x square minus a square minus what we know that formula we have to apply, log of modulus of x plus root of x square minus x square plus c. But remember, these three are very important, and based on that we have done 2-3 examples. Now we will take some more examples based on that. Next example is integration of root of x square plus 2x minus 5 into dx. X square plus 2x minus 5 into dx. Better, this is not in the form of x square minus a square. Therefore, better you convert by using the perfect square method. That is x square plus 2x minus 5. Use the perfect square method, that is a plus b the whole square formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. And next condition, and it is a minus b the whole square. That formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. But here in between plus sign is there, therefore we have to apply a plus b the whole square form. And we will get this x square plus 2. What is your a here? A is x. And whatever left, that one we consider b. Here which one is left? Only 1. Right? And make it a perfect square. 1 square minus 1 square because of balance. And minus by as it is we are writing. And this is a perfect square of what? X plus 1 the whole square minus 1 minus 1. Or else we can write it as x plus 1 the whole square minus 6. Or else we can write this one as x plus 1 the whole square minus 6 can be written as root 6 the whole square. Okay, means we can write this one as in the form of integration of root of x plus 1 the whole square minus root 6 the square dx. Means it is exactly in the form of what? X square minus a square formula. Correct, x square minus a square formula. And we have the formula. X square minus a square formula is of x by 2. Correct. Root of x square minus a square. Correct. Minus log of modulus of x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. This is the formula. Already we know that. This is the formula. Okay. And that formula, instead of x, what is there? Your x? X plus 1. Therefore, we are applying here x plus 1 by 2 root of x square minus a square. Okay. After doing the simplification, root of x square minus a square, please just listen here. What is your x? X plus 1. X plus 1 the whole square minus a square. A square is 6. The same. Minus log modulus of x. What is your x? X plus 1. And we will get it is root of x square. X square is x plus 1 the whole square minus 6. Plus this is the formula of root of x square minus a square. Or else we get it is string simplification. This is x plus 1 by 2 root of x plus 1 the whole square minus 6 minus log of modulus of x plus 1. If you want to can simplify this, can be written as directly the same value. That is x square plus 2x minus 5 plus c. Either write this one or this one. This is how we can calculate integration of root of what? The example is in the form of x square plus 2x minus 5. Next example I will take another one using the perfect. Next example is integration of root of 1 minus 4x square dx. And as I already said, we are taking the variable one side, constant one side. See, here variable is multiplied by constant. That constant we have to take a common. Therefore, we can write integration of root of 4, take common, we get 1 by 4 minus x square dx. Multiply, we get 4 get cancelled, 1 left, 4 into x square is minus 4x. And we know that root 4 is to take outside, integration of root of 1 by 4, we can write 1 by 2 the whole square minus x square dx. This is exactly the form of root of a square minus x square formula. Correct. And we have the formula that is x by 2 root of a square minus x square, correct, plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a plus c. This is the formula. What is your x? X is x, a is 1 by 2. That one not applying. Correct. X by 2 as it is, we are taking 2 outside, and formula is x by 2 root of a square minus x square. A square is 1 by 4 minus x square, correct, plus a square by 2. A square by 2 is 1 by 4 by 2 sin inverse x. What is your x? As it is x by a 1 by 2 plus, okay, the formula we are using here. Or else still simplification, you can write this one as taking, see, this is 2 and outside is 2. That 2 get cancelled. Left it is x by root of 1 by 4 minus x square plus 1 by 4 sin inverse. Take 1 by 2 numerator, 2x by 1 plus, this is the answer of, you can simplify. Okay, next example. Integration of root of 1 plus x square by 9 dx. We can write this one as integration of root of 9 plus x square by 9 dx by taking the LCM. And see, 1 by 9 is, we can remove the square root, we get 1 by 3 root of 9 plus x square. 9 means 3 square plus x square dx. And this is exactly the form of integration of root of a square plus x square formula, right? And we have the formula that is x by 2 root of a square plus x square plus log of modulus of x plus root of x square plus a square, or a square plus x square, both are similar. Plus, this is the formula. That formula we are applying here. 1 by 3, we get x by 2. X by 2 as it is, root of a square plus x square means 9 plus x square plus log of modulus of x plus root of x square plus a square is 9 plus c. This is the answer. You can write. Next 2-3 example I will do homework. Please try to solve that examples in homework. That is, one example is integration of root of x square plus 4x plus 6 dx, and another one is integration of root of x square minus 36 dx. And next example is integration of root of x square plus 4x minus 5 into x, not minus, plus 5 into x. I hope you understand all the examples. Next class I will take integrals of the type different one. Thank you.